Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you these IKEA 40 watt incandescent bulbs. They haven't made incandescents for quite a while, so haven't seen these in a while. Yeah, their packaging is always very simple. That picture looks very much like a Sylvania picture you'd see on the back of their boxes. Made in the Philippines, 40 watt. Yeah, that's really about it. This came with a whole bunch of other bulbs that I acquired. So let's take a look at what's inside. So you got your pretty standard V-shaped filament there. 40 watt, 120 volt, IKEA. Yeah, so that's really about it for this. Let's see how it does. I'll turn all the way to bright. We'll turn off. Oh, I just realized that this is not in camera. Probably be helpful if it was there. There we go. Yeah, not much to really say about it. It's a 40 watt incandescent chandelier bulb. It's 2 feet away from the surface here. Of course, you dim it down, it's going to have a very nice dim to it, being incandescent. I can't get it to focus correctly. Here you can see it. Yeah, so you can get it real nice and down because it is incandescent after all. So anyway, as I've said a million times, this video is not really much to say about it, other than this is IKEA's offering for incandescent flame-shaped bulbs. Hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.